Hey everyone, Amtrak on CSX Rail Fanio, and we got a train close to like 112. And then he just met Amtrak 101 not too long ago down there as they passed each other. And it came on the radio saying locals had to fix, some contractors had to fix a hole in one of these tracks here, I guess. I suppose it was probably, they were working on the middle one there a lot, so probably that one had to be repaired for 2 hours, I guess. That's why trains are running a little late today. Yup, it's a freight from this angle. Yup. Seems to be on track 1 here. The closed track. And here he comes. Probably grow a bit so here to make sure the repair's done, but the crew already, the work crew of the contractors just left because I guess it's fixed by now, so this guy should have no problem on CPU online. There's the end of him, and there he goes. And then yeah, I saw them working on this track too. So that's probably why he's going so slow, because I just worked Contractors with that truck, and the other trucks just worked on this area. To fix a hole in the track, in one of the tracks. I heard something about mostly track 2, so that's what they were probably fixing it at the most part. And then they were probably, I saw them checking track 1 a little bit to make sure that hole doesn't come back in track 1, so it doesn't happen to track 1 either. So yeah, that's probably why it was going slow. It said it was gonna take up to like 2 hours to repair it, but I guess the work crews just left, so I guess it's back to normal right now, and that's good.